I am going to demonstrate how to use the sum and difference of cubes formulas in this video. I will refer to them as the SOAP formulas. That is because there's an acronym that helps memorize the signs in both of these formulas. So I'm going to start with x cubed minus 27. These are your formulas here. So I'm going to use the difference of two cubes formula. Notice that the difference of cubes is a cubed minus b cubed. So in this example, I know that this is a difference of cubes because I have something cubed minus something cubed. If you can rewrite it in this way as something to the third power minus something to the third power, then you are going to use the difference of cubes formula. So my a would be x and my b would be 3. Now, with the formula, your a's and b's are the same every single time. As in, you fill them in the same pattern. So in the first little parentheses, it's going to be a and b. In the second parentheses, it's going to be a squared, ab, b squared. Now I'm going to use the acronym SOAP, which stands for same, opposite, always positive. So if you remember the pattern of AB, A squared, AB, B squared, you use SOAP to remember what the signs are going to be. Now this problem, x cubed minus 27, is a difference of cubes. It has a minus sign in it. So S stands for same, which means the first sign I write in here is going to be the same as minus. The next sign is going to be opposite. That's what the O stands for. The A and the P stands for always positive. So that's how you fill in the signs. Same was minus, opposite was plus, always positive is plus. Now I just need to fill in the A and the B, and you're pretty much done once you simplify. So A minus B would be x minus 3. Remember from the very beginning, A is x, B is 3. Now I have A squared, which would be x squared. A times B would be x times 3. And B squared would be 3 squared, which is 9. And just like that, I'm done with the first one. Now, if you're confused, don't worry, I'm going to do another one. This time I have a sum of cubes. I know this because I can rewrite this as something to the third power plus something to the third power. Five to the third is 125. X to the third is x to the third. So my A this time is 5x. B this time is 1. 1 is a perfect cube. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Now again, I'm going to write out my little SOAP formula. It's going to go in the same order as last time. A, B, A squared, AB, B squared. Now I fill in my signs using SOAP. Same, opposite, always positive. So because this is a sum problem, right? The plus sign is in the problem that I'm given. The same sign as plus would be plus. So it would be A plus B. Opposite of plus would be minus. So that's the next sign that I fill in. Always positive, we put a plus B squared. Now I'm going to fill in my A's and my B's. A plus B would be 5x plus 1. Now be careful with your A squared and your B squared, because you have to remember you're squaring all of A and you're squaring all of B. So if you have A squared and A is 5x, please do not forget to square the 5 along with the x. A times B would be 5x times 1, which is just 5x. B squared would be 1 squared, which is just 1. Now I have one more step because I need to simplify 5x squared, because it's 5 squared and x squared. And now we are done factoring.